YouTube views from 0 to hero views back to 0 views. And how did it all happen? Let's get into it. Here you can see 6.4 million views and 5.2k subscribers in the year 2022. So how did this happen? And it all happened just because of posting shorts. If we look closely at this image, we can see pretty much at the beginning it was dead and flat, and then here we see a massive spike, and that massive spike came when I was posting shorts daily, and I was posting about 10 to 20 shorts per day. And now you can see the slope has gone right back down, and that's because I have stopped posting shorts because I'm working on other projects. I haven't been focusing on this channel much, and that's the consequences of not posting shorts. So do you think it's important to post shorts, and do you post shorts on your channel? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video, and I shall see you on the next one. Bye.